Morning, my dear children. Welcome to the online class as well as welcome to our social studies. How are you, children? Hope all are fine and all are listening the online classes. Okay, children, I told to write almost 3 lessons fair note. I think most of the students have completed the fair note of 3 lessons. Okay, within two or 3 days, we will complete the paper to first lesson. Okay, after that, I will give the paper to first lesson fair note. Okay, na children? I am saying once again, you read the textbook day by day. Whatever the topics I am saying, compulsory you have to read because the names are difficult. We have number of years in the paper too. That is the main reason you have to do the repetition. Okay, na children? Coming to the last topic in the paper to first lesson, democratic and nationalist revolutions. Okay, what we have discussed today, we discussed about the 3 important topics, children. What are they? First of all, we discussed about the course of revolt, and also we discussed about the region of terror, and also we discussed about the women's movement. Okay, coming to the region of terror, you know, the reformers, the peoples does not like the changes made by the National Assembly. That is why the peoples have to fight against the National Assembly. Okay, they gathered themselves. Okay, they gathered together in the political club to discuss about the government policies and plan of action towards the government. Okay, na children? Like that, they gathered in the Jacobins Club. Okay, and also, who are the members of Jacobins Club? As shoemakers, shopkeepers, artisans, okay, factory cooks, servants, daily wage laborer are the members in the Jacobins Club. Okay, na children? In 1792, the members of the Jacobin clubs are decided to do the revolt against the National Assembly. Okay, na children? Because there is a short supplying of the food. Even the short supplying of the food have a high amount of price. That is the main reason. In the morning of August 10th, they entered into the palace of Tuileries. Okay, and they killed the king guards. Kept the king as a hostage for several hours. At last, the National Assembly was dissolved and the election was started. Okay, in the previous election, the men who have 25 years and above and compulsory they have to pay the tax. For them all they have the right to vote. But in this election, there is no discussion about the wealth. Okay, who does not have the wealth? If they are men, they also have to right to vote. Okay, the men who are 21 years and above, they have the right to vote, but the women does not have right to vote. Okay, na children? Thus, the newly elected assembly is called a National Convention. In this who are the elected members, Girardist, Jacobin, and the common people are the memberships. Okay, on 21 September 1792, year is important. The monarchy was banned and the republic was created in the France country. Okay, in 1793, the Louis XVI and his wife Mary Antoinette was sentenced into death. Okay, na children? And also we discussed about the region of terror. 1793 to 94 we can call as a period of terror. Okay, na children? Okay, the Robespierre, the leader of the Jacobins Club, followed a strict policy and doing the punishments who had done the crime. Okay, who was against the republic and who was his enemy. If the court found them guilty, then that man was guillotined. What do you mean of guillotined? Yes, okay, the head will cut out by the machine. Okay, na children? And also several laws was implemented by the Robespierre. And what are the laws? Peasant was forced to send the grains to the city and they have to sell according to the prices kept by the government. Okay, na children? And also Robespierre told that compulsory the France people how to forbid the white flour because it is expensive. Compulsory all of the France people how to eat the bread which is made from the old wheat. Okay, na children? And the churches were shut down. Okay, in the place of church, they converted the church into a barracks, means a soldiers camp. Okay, na children? Okay, thus he done strict policies. Even the supporters of the Robespierre also how to maintain the silence because okay na children. At last in 1794, the Robespierre, the court found he was guilty. Then the Robespierre also was died in that mission only. Okay na children. And okay, also we discuss about the women on French Revolution. Okay, women was participated in all the events in the French Revolution. Okay na children. Okay, women started their own political clubs and newspapers to raise the voice. Their main demand was the political right as a man. They does not have the right to vote. Even for after the 2 centuries also, 19th and 20th century also, they fought to get the right to vote. At last in 1946, the women in France got the right to vote. Okay children, up to this we have completed. Come to the today topic. Okay, role of directory and the Napoleon gets power. What is the topic children? Role of directory and the Napoleon gets power. Okay na children? Children, coming to the topic, role of directory, Napoleon gets power. Okay, what is the meaning of a directory? Okay, very important children. Directory means an executive team. Okay, made up of 5 members. Okay, an executive team made up of 5 members is called a directory. Okay, na children? I told already what is the name of the new assembly in France? It's a national convention. Okay, national convention framed the constitution. In this constitution, they give an importance to the directory, means an executive team made up of 5 members. These members are not capable, they are incorrect. They done a lot of corruption in the France. That is why the image, the hopes of these members was lost in the people of France. Almost the unemployment during the rule, during the directory rule, unemployment was increased. Okay, unemployment increased, and also treasury was empty. Treasury was empty. The currency value was decreased. Okay na? The currency value was decreased. Okay na children? Under the rule of directory, almost their 5 members are incapable, they are incorrect. Okay, they done a lot of corruption, aviniti. Okay na children? In their period of rule, the unemployment was increased, the treasury was empty, the currency value was decreased. Okay na children? That is why, okay, at that period, the people of France are waiting for the correct leader, those who protect the revolution and those who take the country forward. At that time, the people of France got hopes towards the Napoleon. Okay, Napoleon. Okay, the people of France got hopes to the Napoleon Bonaparte. The people of France got hopes towards the Napoleon Bonaparte. Bonaparte is not a party name, children. Bonaparte is the surname of Napoleon. Okay, the people of France got the hopes towards the Napoleon Bonaparte because okay, at that time Napoleon Bonaparte was given a lot of victories to the France. Okay, na children. At last, Napoleon captured the power in France with the help of Abbasias. Very, very important, children. The Napoleon Bonaparte captured the power in France with the help of Abbasias. Already we discussed about the Abbasias. Where we have discussed it? Yes, in the tennis court oath, we discussed about the Abbasias. Okay, the people of Third Estate, in the 20th May 1789, they gathered in the indoor tennis court stadium at Versailles under the leadership of Abbasias, Mirabeau and Bailey. Okay, naturally, at that time we discussed it. Here, Napoleon captured the power in France with the help of Abbasias. Okay, and Napoleon Bonaparte formed a new government. What is the name of the new government? Consulate. Okay, Napoleon formed a new government called Consulate. Very, very important, children. They will ask the question in the exams. Okay, Consulate, and ruled from 1799 to 1804 as a first consul. Okay, now children. And after Napoleon declared himself as a emperor and ruled for 10 years. From which year to which year? 1805 to 1815. Okay, na children. Okay, what I told. Okay, the rule of directory. Director means an executive team made up of 5 members is called directory. Okay, during the rule of these 5 members, the country economy was decreased. The unemployment was increased. The treasury was empty. The currency value was decreased almost 100%. At that time, the people of France is waiting for a great leader who will protect the revolution and take the France country forward. At that time, the Napoleon Bonaparte, okay, the people of France have a hope towards the Napoleon Bonaparte because Napoleon Bonaparte was given lot of victories to the France. At last, with the help of the Abbasias, Napoleon Bonaparte captured the France. Okay, captured the power in the France. Formed the new government called Consulate and ruled from 1799 to 1804 as a first consul. After that, he declared himself as emperor and another 10 years he was ruled from 1805 to 1815. Okay, na children? Okay. Even though the Napoleon became the emperor, but he does not change the Republic of France. Okay, na children? At last, the Napoleon was lost in the Battle of Waterloo. Battle of very, very important, children. Battle of Waterloo in 1815. Okay, na children? Even the last of Napoleon also, a lot of changes came in the country of France. Again, the monarchy system was arrived. Monarchy means a single person ruling the country. Again, the monarchy rule came in the country, but the equality, freedom, and fraternity was inspired by lots of the people in the France country. Okay? Equality, fraternity, freedom was inspired by the people of France. Okay, na children? Okay. The French Empire was in the highest peak when the Napoleon was ruling. Okay, he defeated the Napoleon Napoleon defeated the Austria, Prussia, and also Napoleon defeated the Spain, Portugal. Okay, the Napoleon defeated the Austria, Prussia, and also the Napoleon defeated the Spain and Portugal. At last, by 1810, Napoleon became the emperor of the Europe continent, except England and Turkey. Okay, now children, once again I am saying, okay, even though the Napoleon became the emperor, the Napoleon does not lose. Okay, the Napoleon given importance to the republic. Okay, now children, whenever the Napoleon lost in the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, then even though the changes was made by the government of France, but the equality, fraternity and freedom was inspired by the people. Fraternity means brotherhood. Okay, now children, and at last in 1810, okay, at the rule of the Napoleon, the France was in the highest peak because France defeated the Austria, Prussia, Spain, Portugal by 1810. Okay, the Napoleon was the emperor of all the continent of Europe except England and Turkey. Okay, na children? Okay, all the monarchic powers are united to defeat the Napoleon under the leadership of England. At last, with many attempts, the Napoleon was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo. In which year? 1815. They will ask the question, children. Battle of Waterloo in which year? 1815. Okay, na children? The monarchic powers emerged as an alliance to defeat the Napoleon under the leadership of England. After many attempts, the Napoleon was defeated in the Battle of Waterloo. In which year? 1815. Okay? At the same time, the Vienna Congress. What? Okay? The Vienna Congress. Okay, the capital city of Austria is the Vienna. The Vienna Congress was done a lot of changes in the political field. Okay, again this under the leadership of Metternich. Under the leadership of under the leadership of Metternich. Once again I am saying, children, the Vienna Congress was trying to make changes in the field of political. Okay, under the leadership of Metternich. Okay, what are the changes, children? Yes, they are trying to restore the monarchy, empires. Okay, they are trying to bring back the king's rule. Okay, at last, Louis XVIII. Louis XVIII became the king of France. Then Louis XVIII was defeated by the Charles X. Okay, at last Louis XVIII became the king of the France, and Charles X defeated the Louis XVIII. And immediately Charles X was trying to bring back the rights of the clergy and nobility. Okay, you know about the clergy and nobles. Nobles are the same, nobility also same. Okay, na children? And also Charles X abolished the freedom of the press, and abolished the House of Representatives. Okay, na children? At last, 1830, the revolution came in which year? In 1830, the revolution came in the France. At last, the Charles X given the powers to the Louis Philippe. Very, very important. Louis Philippe. Then Louis Philippe also trying to change the reforms, but he was failed. At last, the peoples was done a lot of protest and violence in the France, and another revolution also broke out in the France in the year 1848. 1848. At last, the Louis Philippe was went away from the France, and the Second Republic was declared. France declared a Second Republic in which year? 1848. Again, under the leadership of Napoleon III, again they restored the king's rule. At last, finally, in 1871, France declared third time republic under the leadership of Leon Gambetta. Okay, children, what I told. Okay, whenever the Napoleon was lost in the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, then Vienna Congress. Okay, Vienna is the capital of Austria. Then Vienna Congress done lot of changes in the political field under the leadership of Metternich. Okay, na children, they given more and more importance to the monarchy system. Monarchy means a single person ruling the country. Okay, na children. By this, Louis XVIII became the king of the France, and Charleston was defeated the Louis XVIII. Okay, at last Louis XVIII became the king of the France. Then Charleston defeated the Louis XVIII, and Charleston was trying to bring back the rights of clergy and nobles. You know about the clergy, Matadipatulo. Nobles means nobles. Also we have discussed administrators. Okay, na children. So Charleston abolished the freedom of press and House of Representatives. He abolished the Parliament also. At last, the revolution was broke out in the year 1830. Then Charleston given power to his close relatives to the Louis Philippe. Then Louis Philippe was trying to change the system of the government, but he was failed. At last, the bigger revolution was broke out in the 1848. Then the Louis Philippe was feared and went away from the France. And in 1848, the France declared the Second Republic. And again Napoleon III became the king, and again he was restoring the king's rule. At last, in 1871, Third Republic was declared by the France, under the leadership of Leon Gambetta. Okay, na children, very very important. First time they got the republic in September 21, 1792. Second, 1848. Third, 1871. Okay, na children, this is about the topic. Hope you understood very well. And what are the important points I told? Try to underline in the textbook and write down in the rough notes. Okay, complete the fair notes, children. Okay, thank you.